Hello to my favorite kindergarteners. It is time for lesson number, lesson number 136. So, sorry about my hair. And moms and dads, that was lesson 136.
Hi.
Brother Randy says hi. We are starting today with, sorry, Lacey was talking to me. We are starting today with a new special sound. Actually, two new special sounds. Our two new special sounds will come as soon as we run through really super fast and practice our charts. So let's start by practicing this one, okay? Ready? We're going to do it kind of fast because you guys should have this one down pretty good by now. So I would love it if you could do it even faster than me, but stay with me this time. So let's do it a little bit faster than we usually do. So stay with me. Ready? CK says k as in duck. E says E as in me. O says O as in go. Y says I as in fly. AY says A as in pray. ST says as in stop. PL says pull as in plane. FR says as in frog. TR says as in train. SH says as in ship. TH says as in thick, and it also says as in this. BL says bull as in block. CL says cool as in clock. FL says foo as in flake. GL says ghoul as in glue. Let's keep going. BR says brr as in bride. DR says dr as in drum. PR says pr as in pray. GR says gr as in grin. SM says as in smoke. SC says as in scat. SK says as in skate. SP says as in spade. CR says as in crab. TW says as in twins. SPL says spool as in splash. SPR says as in sprain. SCR says as in scream. SQU says as in squeak. SN says as in snack. SL says slool as in sleep. STR says str as in stream. SW says sw as in swim. Good job. You guys did that awesome. Now we have two new ones. Are you ready for this? This is one of my favorites. Do you know why? Because this is in so many words and it's in one of my favorite places. Want to know what that is? I bet you've already said it. What does this look like to you? It's a church. And my letters are CH. And did you know that my name is Crystal? And my name starts with CH, even though it's not ch. Because the sound CH says ch, as in church. Did you know this word has three special sounds in it? Three. CH and CH. And UR is a special sound that says as in nurse. But we're not there yet. But it says church. So CH says ch. Let's think of some other words that start with CH. How about this? Do you know what this is right here? This is your chin. And do you know what this is? There's one right here and one right here. What is it? It's a cheek. And that starts with CH. And let's see. Mice like to eat something called cheese, right? There is a lot of words that have CH in them. You just wait. And I bet if you look around today around your house, you'll find a lot of things that start with CH or end in CH. Sometimes words end and CH, like this one. I like to eat with my sandwiches chips. That starts with CH too. So you work on that today and see if you can come up with any more words that start with CH. But for now, let's learn our other special sound. Our other special sound. Whew, this one is in a lot of words. And look at this big, huge word you're going to read. It's huge. Let's talk about this. O-R says or, or. Can you say that? Let's try it again. O-R says or, or. Mom and Dad help a lot with this one. We're probably going to have to write it and hang it somewhere because we got to remember this one because you can't sound this one out at all. So we really want to remember this special sound. O-R says or, as in orning. ING is a special sound that we'll learn that goes at the end of words, usually. And this says morning, morning. So OR says or, as in morning. Sometimes I like to sit out on my porch. Did you hear that? Do you want to know what that has in it? Are you ready for this? This is going to be awesome. Sometimes, oh, I have to find my marker. Hold on, my markers are way over there. Sometimes I like to sit outside in the mornings. I really like to sit outside and I like to sit on my front. I don't want to say it yet, so I want you to read it. So first let's find our special sounds, okay? Let me tell you, there's no vowels in this, only special sounds, okay? There's one. That's our new one that says or. And here is, there's the one we just talked about, CH that says ch. Let's read this. What letter is this? P says P. Ready? Let's put it together with our first special sound. P, or, porch. P, or, porch. Porch, I heard you. That's where I like to sit, on my porch. OR says or, as in morning, and CH says as in church. So try this one. Ready? Now in this one, we have one of those times where we have a special sound that makes this vowel silent, okay? So we have to read it like this. Ready? CH says, remember what OR says? Or, chore, chore. I used both of our special sounds too. Wow, you guys are good at that already and you didn't even know. So that's okay, just file it. That's okay. Sorry, Lucy's helping me with something. Okay, let's get ready now. So in your lessons today, you're going to read some words that I typed for you to read, okay? And then you're going to do your writing page, which you just have one page today. You're welcome. Actually, is that page 158? Hey, what page is that? That one? No, the writing one. The writing one.
Oh, 155.
Okay. Just one page, I think. You might not have any, but mom will tell you for sure. And then you're going to do some science today. Remember, we left off on 133 when we did it the last time. And I don't know where you're at with mom and dad, but so do some science today. And then this is the important thing today. Well, so are your special sounds, but this is really important. Are you ready? Today, we are going to learn about counting. We already learned to count by ones. We can count all the way to 100. We already learned to count by fives. We can count all the way to 100. We already learned counting by tens. We can count all the way to 100. You know what we're going to count by today? On the back of your papers that Mrs. Snow made for mom and dad, tear off that back page, okay? And it looks like this. So this is called, see the numbers that I circled? Those start with the number 2. We are going to start today counting by 2. How cool is that? So I thought maybe we might need some help counting by twos. So, are you ready for our helper? Are you ready for our helper? We are going to have a helper today. So counting by two means that you start with the number 2, okay? But if we want to practice learning how, those numbers that come in between that Mrs. Snell did not circle on your paper start with the number 1. We're going to call those, okay? So when we learn how to count by twos, we start with the whisper number. That's the number that we say super quiet. So we're going to have a friend help us do the whisper numbers. The first whisper number is number 1. Oh, Sammy Sightword is here. Oh, Sammy. I'm glad you came to my house and you didn't have to stay in the classroom all by yourself. Did you miss your friends? You did? I knew he was missing you guys. So I thought, you know what? I think maybe Sammy Sightword can come and help us learn to count by twos. But, Sammy, you already messed up. You did. You already messed up. Yes, you did. You already messed up. Don't argue. It's not nice. You messed up because you're supposed to whisper number 1. So you whisper number 1, and then me and my friends are going to say number 2, okay? Okay, so you start off. Now, ready? Just whisper. 1. Sammy, that was not whispering. No, that was not whispering. Boys and girls, was that whispering? No. No, Sammy, it was not whispering. Whispering means you do it super quiet. Okay, are you ready? Okay, he says he's ready. Let's see. Now he's going to whisper, and then we're going to say the next one loud. Okay, so ready? We're going to say the circle ones. Okay, ready? Ready, Sammy? Okay, here we go. Sammy. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What? You gonna say 10 with us? Okay, you can say 10 with us. Did you see that? That was counting by twos. Just the numbers that you said, not the ones Sammy said. Just the ones you said. Okay? This time, Sammy, you be quiet and listen, and we're just gonna say the other ones in our head, and then we will say 2. Okay? Okay? You can say 2 with us if you want to. Okay, he wants to. Okay, ready? Let's start with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Did you get that? Yeah, that was good. So we're only doing the circle numbers. Oh, hi, Brother Andy. Thank you for petting Sammy Sightward. He likes being petted. So that was how we count by twos. We only do the ones that are circled, okay? So when we count by twos, we don't say the other ones. So let's try it one more time without saying any of the other ones. I'll do that. Okay. Okay, ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good job. That was awesome. That is counting by twos. Now, if you want to, with mom and dad or whoever, maybe your brother or your sister might help you, you can do it by yourself and just keep counting, and you can go all the way to 100 if you want to. In the next few days, we're going to go farther and farther on our numbers list, okay? And wow, Sammy, that made you excited. Did you like that? Oh, yeah, I know. That was a lot of fun. I know, Sammy. I'm sorry. Can I tell them what you said? Sammy said he misses you. He said he wishes that he could get a hug from all of you. So right now, will you all send him a big hug? And then I'll give it to him. Oh man, that made him happy. Yes, it did. All right, Sammy. So you're going to go back away for a while and we'll bring you out later and you can help us count another day, okay? All right, everybody tell Sammy bye. Bye, Sammy. job, guys. That was awesome. Okay, so we'll practice counting by twos again. But now I have another special helper. Zach! We have another special helper who's coming to help us with something, okay? So I know you guys like Sammy. Let's see if you like this special helper just as much, all right? Zach is going to come today and talk to us about something, okay? So Zach, come on in here. You want to get on your knees here? And Zach is going to help us with something today. Zach loves I said you still love toys. He loves his toys. And he brought some with him today, and he's going to show us a couple. How many do you have, Zach? You're going to have to hold them in your hand. Oh, can you show them to them? They can't see those. Hold up a little bit higher. There you go. So who are these guys, Zach? This is a clone trooper. Who's this? A Wookiee. I don't know what a Wookiee is. And this is Darth Maul. He's kind of creepy looking, Zach. So how many, let's see how many Zach has today, okay? So open your hand flat there, Zach. And in his hand, let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So Zach has 3 toys, but guess what? Last night, Zach stayed up too late. So Zach, I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to take your clone trooper. I'm going to take it away from you. Sorry, Zach. Maybe next time you won't stay up so late. But let's see how many Zach has now. 1, 2. Oh, he had 3, but I had to take 1 away. So now he only has 2. Do you know what that means? That means that you guys just did something brand new in numbers. Remember how we add? Remember how we said 2 plus 1 equals 3? Well, guess what? Hold your hand up there. Zach had 3. And then I had to take away 1. And now he only has, how many does he have? 2. So we learned that 3, and this word is called minus. Can you say minus? Minus. So we say 3 minus 1 equals 2. Now he only has 2. Now, Zach, if you could, how many would you play with? If you had all your little guys, how many would you want in your hand? Probably about 5. 5? Okay, so let's hold them in his hand and we'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, look at this little guy. He's pretty funny. Look, he's funny looking. 5. So now Zach has 5 Star Wars guys. But Lacey, she doesn't like when he plays with Star Wars guys. So she comes in and she says, Zach, I don't like your Star Wars guys. So I'm going to take 1, 2, I'm going to take 3 of them. So Lacey came and took 3 away. Now that's what that means, take away. So 5 is how many he did have. We took away 3. How many does he have left? 1, 2. That's all you have left, Zach. So we say 5 minus 3 equals 2. Oh, man. But let's try something. Zach has 2 now. Look, he only has 2. But Lacey says, I'm sorry that I took away your guys. And so I'll give you one of my little cute pink, is that a porcupine, Lacey? Yes. A little pink porcupine. You can have it. So he had 2. Now we're not taking away now. We gave him 1. So we added 1 to his hand. Now how many does he have? 1, 2, 3. So we say 2 plus 1 more equals, how many does it equal? 3. Good job. So you add, and that's called subtracting. So if Lisa came back and changed her mind and she said, you know what? No, I want my pink porcupine. I'm keeping it. Then we would say, now he had 3. We took 1 away. How many does he have left? 2, because 3 minus 1 equals 2. Who's better than nothing?
Yeah.
How about we give Zach all his guys back? Okay. Thanks, Zach. So now you can add and subtract. We're going to do a lot more of that in the days to come, but that was just kind of telling you what subtraction is. So now if you go get some of your toys and tell mom, put some of your toys out, maybe 3 or 4 of your toys, and then let mom take away a couple of them or 1 of them or 3 of them or all of them. What if Zach had 5 in his hand and I took all 5? How many would he have left? 0, because 5 minus 5 equals 0. So maybe you can practice some of that with mom. And I think that's all we have for your lessons today. And this lesson ended up being too long. So we won't do any more, but maybe you can go back and practice your charts, practice your counting, practice your clocks, and practice your coins, okay? And you guys keep up the good work. I miss you so much, and I'll see you on lesson 137.